Okay, we're supposed to find the slope of the curve x cubed minus 7x at the point when x is 1 and y is negative 6 by finding the limiting value of the slope of the secants. The secants have slope f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. The limiting value means we're going to take the limit as h goes to 0. The fact that x is negative 1, they want us to find the limit as h goes to 0 f of, oh sorry, not negative 1. What am I saying? That's a positive 1. F of 1 plus h minus f of 1 all over h. The limit of the secant slopes is equal to the tangent slope. What is f of 1 plus h? It's 1 plus h quantity cubed minus 7 times 1 plus h. Every place you see an x, you put a 1 plus h. That's going to be trouble. We have to cube this. So we take 1 plus h, 1 plus h, and 1 plus h. Let's cube it. We get 1 plus 2h plus h squared, and we multiply by 1 plus h. And then later we'll bring this other stuff down. So we get 1 plus 2h plus h squared by distributing the 1 across. And then we get h plus 2h squared plus h cubed by distributing the h across. Adding vertically, we see that the cube is going to be 1 plus 3h plus 3h squared plus h cubed. Okay, then we bring that other part down. Let's go ahead and distribute and call it minus 7 minus 7h. Combining like terms, we have h cubed, 3h squared. Here we have a 3h. Here we have a minus 7h. So minus 4h. Here we have a minus 7. Here we have a 1. So minus 6. That is what h cubed, 1 plus h cubed minus 7 times 1 plus h is. That is f of 1 plus h. Now we already know f of 1. In disguise, they gave us f of 1 when they gave us the point. We could have figured it out, of course, by plugging a 1 in. And so f of 1 is a negative 6. Let's do this vertically. I'm going to subtract f of 1 plus h minus f of 1. And the whole point is that you get cancellation. These negative 6 minus a negative 6 cancels out. So what's left over? Left over is terms that all have h in it. H cubed plus 3h squared minus 4h. That's exactly what this numerator is. Continue to write limit. We haven't taken any limit yet. And the numerator is h cubed plus 3h squared minus 4h. The denominator is h. And that's the issue. We have to get rid of the h. This is the enemy. We're going to recognize then that from the numerator, every term has a h in it. So we factor that h out. We're left with h squared plus 3h minus 4. And the h that's in the denominator. And then we can cancel those h's immediately. We can plug in. No longer do we have to worry about the limit being division by 0. We can go ahead and plug in now h equals 0. And what we get out is a negative 4. What that represents is the slope of the tangent. So now that we have the slope of the tangent, and we have a point, we'll just go into algebra class and put these together using y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Y plus 6 is negative 4x plus 4. Take away 6. Y is negative 4x minus 2. That's the equation of the tangent line. This is the slope of the tangent line. Okay, great.